All right. Well, here we are again. Let's go to part 2 of our Eva unboxing with the RTX 4090 Eva-02 edition. Let's begin. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see here. A little damage by Newegg right there. Yeah, some shipping damage. Oh god, there's like the waifu bait is strong with this one. Let's see what we open up here. I think it's this one. Alright, cool. I think I got it. Oh. Alright, sweet. We got it open. So, let's check it out. So this one is a little more clean with the packaging. Like no PNG of Asuka in the cover. They did put it on the side though. So I don't know how to feel about that. They put it on the side. Yeah, it's just on one side. But unlike the motherboard, yeah, it's not like front and center. So, alright, let's open this one up. Oh my god, forgot how heavy 4090s are. Alright, 1 second. Okay. Oh. We got the box out. Ooh, I like this. Oh man, this packaging is dope. Alright, let's pull out the graphics card because I keep forgetting how heavy these things are. So, oh god, so it's your GPU right here. Let's oh, come on. No. Alright, so I'll set this aside. Let's see what's included. Okay, let's take that out. So you got your standard manual. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, so it's like a display or something like that. You fold, yeah. Oh, so this is what's missing on the original Strix card. The Strix 3080/3090. It doesn't include this particular collector's card in there. So I'm glad they included it because it's actually a nice touch. And let's see. So you got your cable mod stuff. Quick start. All right. So kudos, they added the stuff that wasn't on the 3080 Eva Unit 01 edition. So let's pull out. Let's see what else is inside. This looks like okay. Oh, nice. So you got your ATX 3.0, and this. Okay, yeah, your cable management tie, your cable ties. It's cool. It's nice. Oh shit! It's you also get your riser, or not riser. Sorry, your bracket, your support bracket. So I believe, yeah, this extends. Ooh, sorry. Ooh, oh no, it's a toolkit. Oh my bad. I think can you use it as a riser? Or okay, yeah. So it's a tool as well. So you got your a little screwdriver here, and it's magnetized, so you can tighten this. And you got your GPU bracket. That's pretty cool. Then goes down there. So yeah, that's a really good addition to this package. Let's see, is this everything? So yeah, I think that's everything. So let's put this all back. Let's move on to the actual main event, the card itself. Oh boy. There is the graphics card. So you want to see it's longer than, but you do have a tape measure for that. Alright, so the card itself, see the length, it's about almost 14 inches, or yeah, I think I can safely call that 14 inches. And thickness is around almost 3 inches. So yeah, it's a hefty card. Don't get me wrong. It's actually hefty. Yeah, you get your standard fans with the Asus, like Eva-02, and then the Nerve logo, of course. Then you got your Unit-02 color scheme. You got your red color scheme here as well. On the back, though, oh, here's the problem again. They put PNG Alaska in the back, so not too impressed with that. I'd rather they did what they did with the original Unit-01. So let me grab that. So on the original Unit-01, they just put Unit-01 in the back. Rather than putting Shinji in there, they put Unit-01. So yeah, I wish they did the same treatment. They just put Unit-02 rather than Asuka in the back of the card. So yeah, let's plug her in on the system and see what it looks like.
Alright, man, that looks great. Looks like mounting it vertically is the way to go. So by default, the LED on the right side is actually set to orange, so Asuka's secondary colors, or should I say Unit-02's secondary colors. Alright, let's check out the software in order to change the lighting effects on this. Okay, so here's the software we are going to be using to change the RGB of the card. So as you can see, after installing the motherboard and as well as updating the SDK for both the board and the actual card, even the Armory Crate theme changed to Asuka in there, so that's pretty good, gotta say. So with this, you can control the lighting, the different lighting as well as the different colors of the actual card. So yeah, enjoy some of the lighting changes. And I'll see you guys on the conclusion. Alright, well, I have to admit, this card is actually well made. There are some design decisions that I disagree with, especially with plastering Asuka in the back of the card rather than plastering an outline of Unit-02, similar to what they did with the first Strix Eva collaboration. Overall though, the decision to do the proper color schemes and everything, it's great. Other than the PNG, of course, but overall, like the color schemes, it's fantastic. It's actually well thought out. The problem is the price. I believe there's a $100 to $200 price delta between the Eva card and the regular 4090 Strix. So it's a little steep when it comes to pricing. versus the regular Strix card. So yeah, I would say it's a pretty good collaboration, similar to the first Eva collaboration. They did improve a lot of the design decisions, but again, they kind of 2 steps forward, 1 step back implementation. So yeah, if you have any questions on this card or this product in particular, leave it down in the comments below. I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. For now, see ya.